To what is going on, man? It's your boy Marcel. In today's video, it's going to be talking about how many times you should be washing your hair throughout the week. Stay tuned. Alright, man. So before we hop into the video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. This is a very important video if you're a beginner, intermediate. Very important video. Alright, you understand? Okay. So based on your hair texture, really don't matter with the hair texture, but if you want to know your porosity, definitely check out my video. It's probably gonna pop up right here, so definitely check out that video. If you're a 360 wave beginner, you want to at least be washing your hair 2 to 3 times a week. Why do you want to wash your hair 2 to 3 times a week? Because dirt buildup is real. If you have dirt buildup, if you looked at my porosity video, when you have dirt buildup, your hair doesn't absorb moisture at all. So you want to keep your hair as clean as possible, you know, silky and smooth as possible. Because when your hair is clean, your waves look good, your waves popping, they look flawless. You add the oils and, you know, pomades in your hair, your junk be flowing. And that's with me sometimes as well. Also, the products you need to be using. Make sure you have a hard brush, a medium brush, and a comb. Make sure you have those products. Also, get you a good shampoo with good lather. I won't be presenting no products in this video today, but if you do want the products I'm talking about, the link is in the description below. Every product I'm talking about is in the description below. You could tag them. Not tag them, you could grab them. My bad. You could grab them products and they'll be shipped to you, you know, pretty quick. If you do the 2-day shipping, 2 to 10-day shipping, they'll be to you in like no time. So definitely copy some products. Definitely make sure you're washing your hair again 2 to 3 times a week because the dirt buildup is real, man. Alright, man, that's the end of the video. Again, I told y'all it was a talking video. Just telling you how many times a week you should be washing your hair, what products you need to be using as well. So if you enjoyed this quick little video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and hit that like button. Turn on post notifications. Also, shout out to the people who've been subscribing to me. I tried to get to 100 subscribers before January, but again, that didn't work out. I guess I wasn't grinding hard enough. I gotta do better. That's my bad. But before the summertime, I do want to hit 1,000 subscribers. Do want to, you know, get this community right. Do want to help beginners. So if you definitely see this video, subscribe, but, you know, keep coming back. You know what I mean? Support your man, support your kid. We are dropping bangers. We are back. All right, we are back, man. We're doing this, y'all. We're really doing it. Because, you know, holidays get y'all. So again, subscribe, hit that like button, you know, do what y'all gotta do. Also, if you want the products, again, it's in the link in the description below. All right, man, it's your kid, Marcel. I'm out.